Are you ready to empower women and make a difference online? If you're a Shopify user, you can create a powerful landing page to honor women's achievements and support female-led businesses. With EComposer, you can effortlessly design a visually stunning landing page that reflects the essence of International Women's Day and boosts your conversion rate. Without further ado, let's dive into the process. The first thing you need to do is prepare your ideal Women's Day landing page materials, including unique product list offers, and determine the landing color scheme and banners that align with your brand's message. Here are some suggestions for you. Purple, green, pink, and magenta are the classic colors for International Women's Day. The color palette composed of these colors is gentle and durable. Now, let's log into our Shopify account and navigate to the EComposer app. Once you're in, you'll be greeted with a user-friendly interface that makes designing a breeze. In case you haven't installed the app, check out the link description and add EComposer now. So, from the EComposer app dashboard, choose Start Building, then Landing Page. Click on the blank template, and get ready to build your desired Women's Day landing page. In this video, I'm going to create a Women's Day landing page for feminine cosmetics. Go to Section 1, Hero Banner. Here, I will choose a one-column structure and then add a row. Then, set the background image for it. And add the relevant content. I want this hero banner to celebrate International Women's Day, introduce the shoppers to this occasion discount, and invite them to explore my Women's Day collection list. If you're wondering how to build the sale-boosting collection list page by EComposer, I will put the detailed tutorial here. Section 2, Create the Best Deals for You section. To build this sale-driven part, I will use the EComposer product box element. When dragging and dropping this element, you can see that the product box is a big combination of elements like image, title, and description. First, I will select an item I want to list in this part. You can see other components displayed in this product box change. You can add other elements in any category with the product box element. Now, just duplicate to the new column and change another item. Then, you will own the stunning Featured Deal section. Section 3, Featured Collection List for Women's Day Sales. I have two collections and decided to place each in each column. Here, I will spend a few time customizing my featured collection layout. First, set the column color. Adjust the border radius. Change the row gap settings. Then, it's time to add the image and content introducing each collection briefly. Adjust parameters of the component's alignment, style, and design. So if you're enjoying and want to receive more valuable page building content, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. then this is the outcome. Next, create a recommended items list for International Women's Day sale by product grid. Here, I will choose product source as a collection, then select a Women's Day product collection I prepared to showcase several items on. Then spend a few minutes transform this product grid design. Then this is the outcome. Section 4, Customer Engagement. Here, I will create a newsletter to collect more leads. An image comparison. You can use this element to show the before and after results your customer tries to experience your product. A visual testimonial of positive ratings and feedback. And last but not least, a part of the refund and shipping policy. Don't forget to ensure your page is mobile-friendly and optimized for search engines to reach a wider audience. EComposer offers endless possibilities to customize your landing page and make it unique. You don't need to be a coding whiz to create a professional-looking Women's Day landing page. Now, save and publish. Then see how the Women's Day landing page on the live site. Wow, it looked beautiful. And there you have it, your own International Women's Day landing page, created with love and powered by EComposer. So what are you waiting for? Let's celebrate women's achievements and inspire inclusion together. I recommend you use the pre-made EComposer Women's Day landing page to build your desired landing page faster. Try EComposer today to own around 120 plus page and 300 plus section templates. Happy designing! Please give a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to our channel to receive the newest videos that can make your Shopify web page creation path much faster and easier. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.